He tried to use Lucy to make me jealous, but how can the boss lady be jealous? I use you. How do you want to use my girl? I love Lucy. No matter what happens, I love Lucy. I know when I love someone, it's not about what happens.
Hello everybody, another matter don dey ground oh. Yeah, it's Bobrisky. Here he comes up, and then he's coming up to shade Ka3na on the matter that has to do with Ka3na and Praise, the boss lady. Bobrisky is out to shade Ka3na on taking Praise to her bed to knock him. Yeah, Ka3na, from her words from the BBnaija reunion show, has come up and said that she actually took Praise to her bed and had sex with him on several occasions. Now, Bobrisky came out on his social media handle in Instagram to say that he is not pleased with that he is not cool with that, and he has come to really bring Ka3na's hand down. In his words, he said, "How can you be a boss lady by bringing Praise to your bed to knock you for free on a live TV show, and you still have the guts to open your mouth to say he is a 5 seconds guy, only if Praise knows you're well done too deep?" Rubbish. Ha. You're well done too deep. You're well done too deep. Oh boy, there is a lot in there. You know, Bobrisky, she's the queen of ladies. She's a Ross girl. Bobrisky will always come and tell you that, guys, girls, ladies, you don't go out for men without something in your hand. And here she is, shading Ka3na, that how would you fuck a guy without anything? And then you come here and you call yourself a boss lady. Who does that? She has taken on to her Twitter, to her Instagram handle to shade Ka3na, and she's like, "I am coming for you. Please, you're not my boss lady. But go and do boss conductor." Bobrisky has come up to her social media and on Instagram to say that Big Brother NAIJA reunion show is trash. How can mature guys and girls' mouth be leaking? You see why I said ladies never run anything with a boy, cause he will surely kiss and tell. This matter, e don pass matter for Matthias. So hey, as e dey go like this, we no know how the thing go take end. This one, say Bobrisky don't even come out, don't talk, say she don dey warn girls. She has been warning ladies not to go out with boys, cheap boys. Say go out with sugar daddies that will give you ego. And Ka3na had the guts to take a guy to even her bed. Like, she was the one that even took the guy to her bed. Not even the guy taking her to her bed for free on national TV. Even the one you did outside the house, you still came inside the house to say it. Guys, don't forget, this is still your #1 YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Enter. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll bring you gist, spicy ones, as they hot. Like our videos and comment in the comment section below. Till next time.